Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with justtutors.com. Today we'll learn more about equations. In this video, we'll focus on more ways to solve equations. Before moving on to the topic, let us try some warm-up questions first. If you want to try the questions by yourself, you can pause the video and match your answers later. Question number 1. Find the value of x in the following equations. Half of x take away 25 is equal to 35. So if we go on and try to solve the problem, the answer would be 120. Let's try the b part now. 14 take away 2/3 of x is equal to 2. So the answer for this would be 18. Let's come to question number 2. Write the equations for the following statements. 1/4 of a number minus 4 gives 4. So here remember that the number has not been given yet, so we'll be taking any variable for it. Let us suppose x this time. So that will be 1/4 of x take away 4 is equal to 4. This is how that equation would look like. Let's try the b part now. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you'll get 30. So in this case, notice that the variable for the number is already given to us, and hence we need not to do anything. We'll just keep 1/3 of z, and hence the equation would be 3 add 1/3 of z is equal to 30. Let's move on to the topic now. More ways to solve equations. We have got two ways of solving the equation. The first is adding and subtracting on both sides, and the other is transposing. We'll start with the first one. We'll try to look at adding or subtracting on both sides with the help of an example. Example number 1. Solve for p. 14p take away 4 is equal to 24. And our first step is to add 4 to both sides of the equation. And why we have done that? It is just to dilute the effect of this negative 4 in the equation. If you notice, we need to find the value of p. Hence, we need to keep on eliminating each thing that comes in the way. We need to take away that 4 and that 14 as well to reach to that p alone. Hence, for diluting the effect of this negative 4, we are adding 4 on each side of the equation. So the equation would look like 14p take away 4 add 4 is equal to 24 add 4. Now if we try to simplify that, it would be 14p is equal to 28. Because negative 4 add 4 has become a 0 and 24 add 4 has become 28 now. Now if we look at the equation again, we've got just 14 on the way because it is being multiplied with the p. And to dilute its effect, we need to divide the equation on both the sides by 14. So the equation would look like 14p divided by 14 is equal to 28 divided by 14. And hence the answer would be p is equal to 2. This is how we use the adding or subtracting on both sides method. Just remember that whatever you do on one side, you have to do exactly the same on the other side too. Let's move on to the next method, which is transposing. We'll take the similar example. Let's work on it. So take the variable on one side and the constants on the other side of the equal to sign. So the first step is to keep the variable on one side and take everything else on the right hand side. It means the constant on the other side. In this case, we've just got minus 4. So we'll be taking that minus 4 on the other side there. And remember that every time the number changes its side, its sign also changes. So when minus 4 travel across the equal to sign, it would become plus 4. And the equation would become 14p is equal to 24 add 4. Now if we try to solve the right hand side of the equation, it would be 14p is equal to 28. And then we've got, remember, we need to take the variables on one side and the constants on another. So we are taking 14 on different side as well, and since it was being multiplied with p, we'll be dividing it on the other side. So it will be p is equal to 28 divided by 14, and hence p is equal to 2. If you notice, it doesn't matter which method you are opting, the answer would still be the same. P is still 2 for each one of them. Now we've got some practice questions for you. This is question number 1. You need to go step by step and complete this method of adding or subtracting on both sides. And then we've got some more questions right here. After trying the questions, you can match your answers here. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.